Hey traders, my name is Brian and I'm a professional trader with BK Trading Academy along with my wife Kenya, and we teach new and struggling traders how to trade. I wanted to talk a little bit about why a lot of traders are failing. Over 90% are failing when they're trading. So let's talk bullet points. And I'm not going to make this sweet. I'm just going to put it in your face because I'm not doing you any favors by sugarcoating it. Before we go into this, I want to really ask you, are you treating trading like a business or a hobby? If you trade it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby results. If you're trading it like a business, you're going to get professional entrepreneur business results. So, how do you shift from a hobby to a professional? It lies into why you may not be successful. Number one, over leveraging. Over leveraging is huge. The way we teach our students is that we risk no more than 2% of our account. So if you're trading Forex, for example, and you have $2,000 in your trading account, you probably want to say, hey, let me use a risk calculator to try to find out how much am I willing to risk. Every single successful business on this planet has a risk management strategy. You can't go down the street and find a large organization and not have a risk management strategy. Yes, you have to have risk in order to profit. So one piece of advice to you is to not over leverage. You can go to earnforex.com or whatever website you want to use that has a risk calculator. You put in the dollar amount that you're trading and you plug in, I'm only want to risk 2%. You get that amount and then you break up that lot size. So if you find an entry according to your strategy, and that's a hint of what the next one is, you want to break it up. So if you have 2% to play with, don't just put the whole 2% on that entry. You want to break it up. So that way, if for some reason the trade go against you, you're only lost 2%. If you've broken it up properly. Speaking of risk management, Kenya and I are coming out with a highly sought after risk management strategy in our website. Just keep an ear out for that. We'll let you know when it's coming out. Some people from our trading academy will be getting it, and we're just excited about it because that is the bread and butter of our success. Number two, trading without a strategy. There are a lot of traders out there that is trading with no strategy. They're either trading based on what someone else told them or using an indicator to enter the market. You never want to enter based on an indicator. You want your strategy to be so well that your indicator will follow your strategy. We're price action traders. And what does that mean? We look at history to determine the future. We look at the price to determine what's going to happen in the future. It's a little bit about supply and demand and the market dynamics, micro and macro economics. Just know that supply and demand runs the entire world. It doesn't matter where at in the world. So if you can look at your chart, find supply and demand, you will be golden as far as a solid entry. And no need to get in the market every single time. You want to wait and let price come to you. Oftentimes people want to get in the market and make money. Let's shift that mindset from making money to managing risk. If you manage your risk properly, the money will come. But if you're looking just to make money really quick and get in the market, that's more of gambling than anything. Remember, you're a business owner now. This is not a hobby. Eventually, you'll probably want to turn this trading into your 9 to 5 and leave and quit and fire your boss. Some people just may want supplemental income, and that's completely fine. But overall, you want to treat trading as a business. Number three, letting your emotions get the best of you. Now, this is tricky because some people are like, well, how do you get your trading psychology in check? Now, to be completely honest, this is what freed me from always wanting to look at my trades and stressing out is that I followed a risk management strategy. That was number one. And then number two, a profitable trading strategy. We have three strategies in our academy: the B swing, the price action channel strategy, and the KISS 2.0, which stands for Kenya's instant scalping strategy. These strategies have been tried and tested for thousands of times, and it's supply and demand based. What do I mean by that? That simply means that we look at price action for when to enter and exit the market. Price action is looking at supply and demand, finding your support and resistance zones. Your support and resistance zones are different than your supply and demand, although there's some similarities, but they act very similar and they work because if you can look at a chart and identify your discount, you can identify when to buy. And there's some other things in place like liquidity grabs and things of that nature, but this will completely change your mindset, guys. I can't stress this enough. If you have a solid risk and you're risking no more than whatever you're willing to risk and have a solid strategy where you're turning over constant profits based on supply and demand in the markets, that is a game changer. And guys, I don't trade with indicators a lot of the times. Usually if I throw in an indicator, it's for confluence just to respect my strategy. And the reason why supply and demand works, and I keep saying this and I probably sound like a broken record, especially to our academy and to those who follow me, is because it works. Supply and demand runs the market. If you can tell me where my discount at, I will buy every single time. If price is too overbought and too much, too expensive, I can guarantee you that price is going to drop, and it's dropping to attract more buyers like us. You want to think of that mindset, guys. And I'm telling you exactly what I'm saying. The reason why Ken and I are 90% profitable plus is because we follow our strategy to a T. Number four, journaling. Journaling is highly, highly important, and a lot of traders don't do that. Journaling, it could be as simple as looking at your trades, following your strategy, making sure you're documenting and taking images of your charts before you enter the market. Is your rules of your strategies in place before you enter and exit the market? Journaling will teach you about yourself. And when you journal, you want to make sure that you're applying your risk management strategy, your trading strategy, and then documenting every single entry. This will tell you about yourself. If you're entering the market too much, if you need to wait for certain sessions based on where you live, that's more volatile than other sessions. There's a lot in place, guys. And that leads me to number five, having hands-on mentorship. I have a mentor. Kenya has a mentor. It doesn't matter how high you get. You always want to have a mentor, someone who can help you and guide you because to be honest, trading is lonely. Trading is absolutely lonely. And oftentimes spouses don't trade together. Usually one is trading and the other one isn't interested. Maybe the other one that's interested think that is gambling, and that's because you're trading with a gambling mindset. Now, not all of you, but I do want to help you shift from one mindset to the other. So that being said, guys, as you already know, we have a trading academy. And if you are looking to really take trading to the next level and get professional entrepreneur, business owner results, I highly suggest that you contact us. We have everything in the description below to contact us. Our website, bktradingacademy.com, where you can hit that chat button at the bottom of the screen, bottom right, and you can chat with us. You can send us an email. Check us out. Watch our testimonials on that webpage. We're legit. We're the real deal. We have a global academy. But overall, guys, I want you guys to achieve professional results. And sometimes you have to invest in yourself. And although these YouTube videos can help and help motivate you and provide you with some essential information, sometimes they're out of order. Sometimes they're not as detailed, but you want hands-on mentorship in our academy. We have hands-on mentorship. And when I say we respond within a few minutes, sometimes a few hours, we do that. A lot of our students are intrigued and excited that we are hands-on. They don't have to send us an email to contact us. We have a private community where they just simply type, "Hey, Brian, what do you think about this trade? Here's my analysis. Is there anything that you need to correct?" I'm telling you guys, this is a game changer. This is one of the things that sets us apart from all others. On top of that, we provide you with videos and modules that will help you learn for a lifetime. And then we grade those modules too. We don't just have you watch a video and set you on your way. You're going to watch a video of how we execute trades, how to look at the strategy, marking up your charts. And then we want you to mark up your chart as well, submit it to us, and we will let you know with feedback if you're doing it correctly. That being said, guys, feel free, reach out, comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.